Good morning. I literally just woke up, crust in my eye and all. I've been trying to find the words to say. It's been very rough these last couple of weeks. Today is Juneteenth. Today is June 19th, 2020, Juneteenth. And wow, it's so strange, or is it strange, that all of this stuff has led up to today. And I just think that's like powerful in itself, but then also just very interesting, to see what's going on in the world. And now today, as things not calm down, because we're still fighting, we're still pushing for justice. It's acting slow, it's coming slowly, but I am seeing some changes, in quotes. But it's just interesting that it all led up to June 19th. So I will be out here celebrating my blackness with my black friends. I can't wait to just kind of have conversations and talk with my girlfriends and even some guy friends maybe, and just, I don't know, just like feel the love and energy through my people, because I know we're gonna be out here today celebrating and just feeling love and joy. So today, what today's gonna be about, like, I'm gonna try to vlog as much as I can. I am about to go get my nails done, get my toes done. As you can see, you can't quite see it quite yet, but I got my hair done last Sunday. So I'm trying to, come back to a familiar Renee, because she was lost, okay? My whole pampering routine definitely changed up a ton since this quarantine started. So now this is gonna be my first time back in a nail salon, so I'm gonna of course be all masked up and everything and try to take as many safety precautions as I can while I'm there. But sis need her nails done, okay? I need my toes done. It's definitely sandal season, so I'm about to do that to pamper myself today. So that's going to be giving back to me on Juneteenth. I may do a little bit of shopping. The nail salon that I'm gonna go to opens at 10 o'clock, so I want to make sure that I'm there. Like, I want to be like the first person there, or whatever, one of the first people there. So I'm going to be in and out. So I want to do a power clean. And when I say power clean, I like to like, because my apartment is not filthy. It just needs to be like, my bed needs to be made, things need to be straightened up. There's like maybe 2 or 3 dishes that need to be washed. I need to take out my trash, like little things like that. So I will be trying to get that together before I leave out. That way when I come back, I can just focus on like getting ready, getting dressed, and all that jazz. But yeah, so I'm planning on hanging out with my friends later on today, drinking, eating, vibes, all that stuff. But yeah, let's get to it. So this is the hair I was trying to show y'all earlier. I got some spring twists. This is my go-to. If you know, you know. But I am walking to my local nail salon. Well, there's one that's closer, but I'm not really 100% on their customer service and also the cleanliness of their shop even before the coronavirus. So I walked to this one that I'm walking to right now, and they actually had all of these like plexiglass panels up. Everyone was in masks. They're a newer shop too, so they just opened literally the tail end of last year. So their cleanliness is kind of, where I feel like comfortable. I also kind of want to hit up Marshals and also Michaels, because as you guys know, I do sneaker customization. So I've been really wanting to go to Michaels and pick up some things for some future customizations. Because Michaels is a craft store, so they have all kind of fun things. I went into Marshals. Okay, but I went into Marshals literally 2 days ago and found like the cutest little joggers. So I'm just gonna go in there and look for some more deals. It was like $8, $6. I think the most I spent was $13 for some cute joggers, so that's chill. But yeah, I'm gonna go see what else I can come up with, because I literally walked in at like 6:30 and they closed at 7, so I was kind of in a rush. But yeah, and they also had some decent like furniture stuff that was on sale, so I want to check that out as well, because I am in the market for a cute little like accent chair for my living room, or even like a desk chair. I'm running behind on my own like schedule that I created for myself. My homegirl wants to link up around 1:30, so my nails shouldn't take super long because I don't have anything to soak off or anything. Goodness, thank goodness. So it should be like a quick in and out, maybe an hour, I'm guessing, and then I can just go run, because Marshals and Michaels is literally around the corner. So I'm just gonna run in there real quick, see what they got, and not waste no time, and then come back home and like fully get dressed and stuff. It is hot as fuck outside. First of all, I was gonna wear a t-shirt and some sneakers at first because I wasn't sure if I was gonna get my toes done, but since I'm getting my toes done, I am definitely wearing sandals, and I'm also definitely about to be in some type of dress or shorts or something. But yeah, stay tuned for all of that. And I need to figure out some type of like sweat-proof makeup situation, because I'm not about to be out here sweating through foundation. No. Y'all, I'm in Marshals and I'm doing damage already. So I found these super cute vases. They are amazing. They already come with the faux plant inside. They're on sale for only $12, which I think is a steal for something as dope as this. I love to get pairs because I like for my decor to be like symmetry, you know, have symmetry. But then I saw these little guys too, and they're super cute. They're also $12, and I love a good flower like moment. I've been trying to like, well, during Mother's Day, I bought some flowers and I really loved them in my apartment, so I really want to start getting more flowers and stuff. But these are obviously fake, so I can keep them forever. But it also has this color. So let me show y'all this stuff. So these are all on sale. This is $12. It's like a circular rug. All of these freaking pillows are like $10. This is a set that's super cute, very nice and textured, for only $20 for two. So basically $10 each. And then these curtains, I've been looking at these curtains for the longest time. I love how textured they are. And then this freaking poof, oh my goodness, so cute. So I'm thinking about getting this stuff and like really revamping my living room area. You guys know I already like bought some furniture over the quarantine, but now I want to get like some good cushions and like just some stuff to make it look a little more luxe. So I'm trying to decide between these four. I think if I do get a pair, I don't know, but I'm leaning towards this just because I like how tall it is, and it'll take up space, so it'll be a little bit better. But I love the faux flower, but I could just get some flowers and not do this, because I don't really like, I like the color obviously of the pot, but it's not as great. This pot looks way better. Ew, somebody's hair on here or something. What is that? That's nasty. But this pot just looks way better. So I'm thinking I'll just get one of these, and I'm leaning towards this one because this one has like some kind of, I don't know what that is, if that's a stain or if that's just how it is. I think I'm gonna get this one and just get one and not like go OD, because I may put this on my coffee table so it'll stand out in the middle. But yeah, I'm doing a lot. I'm definitely gonna have to take an Uber home now, so I'm gonna definitely do a review when I get home. But this is the damage that I have done so far. Good morning, y'all. Today is a new day. Sorry, I'm getting ready for work right now. First of all, let me just highlight the fact that I just bought this sponge. It's huge. It covers everything, okay? This was literally $5. This is a Sonia Kashuk sponge, and I look at that point. Look at how you can get like underneath the eye and nooks and crannies. This big, huge thing pouncing in your foundation. I'm in love with this, okay? $5 too, like, sis, go buy one, okay? Makes my foundation look a little more effortless, but that's not why we're here. I just want to share with y'all real quick because I'm loving this little thing, and I bought it only a few days ago. Y'all, my Juneteenth was on point. It was so nice. I had such a good time. I'm sorry that I didn't really vlog like I wanted to, like I said I was gonna do, because I was just really like living in the moment. I had a really nice time linking up with one of my girlfriends, and it was just really chill. Like, I met a couple of people that I may be working with. I met this guy who is a photographer and he's a stylist as well. So I just was like, oh, what? We exchanged socials, and hopefully we will be linking up in the near future, because I want to start taking my social media page a little more seriously. I feel like my account just has a lot of selfies, and like it's not as motivating and creative as it could be, because I put on outfits all the time, but I rarely post them, and I mostly post my outfits on my stories. But I want to take some like professional type of photos and stuff, and like you know, start making it a little more real. So that was dope to like meet some cool individuals. We actually went to the lakefront and we just chilled at the 57th Street beach here in Chicago. The sun was shining, but then when the sun went down, the freaking lakefront looked beautiful. Here's some photos and some videos of my entire like day.
She was in the back. Anybody else want to use the flag? You're welcome to. Look, Amazon, $4.99. $4.99 from Amazon. So pretty.
Yeah, so had a good time. I'm gonna share with you guys my like living room kind of reveal, and I think probably in another video. I know that I was saying that I was going to like share with y'all what I got, but you guys saw, but I actually like spruced up my living room, and I actually made it a little more elevated. It's a little more elegant. Y'all, like, share with me down below what your Juneteenth experience was. I literally felt so happy yesterday. Happiness can be a choice as well. Like, you can choose to, you know, take the high road and just, you know, be happy, but I feel like it was just a vibe throughout the entire day. I linked up with friends, I had some drinks, I had some fun and laughs, we danced, we ate, it was just joyous. And that is, I mean, honestly, truly how life should be regardless. I have had a couple conversations with people who had to work yesterday. I know my company, for instance, we weren't closed, but I know a lot of other retailers were closing their doors and considering Juneteenth a holiday, and it really needs to become a national holiday. Like, that's just in general how I feel about it, and I know a lot of other people do as well. But you know, companies were, I feel like, being a little insensitive with the like perks, in quote, that they were trying to convey yesterday. And just talking to a couple of my friends, my peers, and even seeing what my job like was offering, it just didn't measure up to what it really should be. I'm definitely gonna do a like detailed haul, showing you guys what I actually purchased at Marshals. But if you want a living room tour, I can totally do that. Yeah, my living room is finally coming together. I'm so excited about it. So yeah, thank you guys for sticking with me. Thank you guys for supporting my little small channel. Hopefully it will grow by the end of this year. So thank you guys for watching this small vlog on my Juneteenth experience. And yeah, many more vlogs to come. See you in my next one.